Nyamira uyokurigie karugo kyobo senator oyubono asenga kiamoni ngomo senator bwe county ya Nyamira Okong'o mongare ni gobona radina ndekanga ya hiyo guchukurigie keroge kyo ase county ya Nyamira kerokeria amochirio omo senator bwe county ya Nyamira Okong'o mugeni asogote abuna tarekerania amagendra ase county yo igate birabuna mange arokaneka okorekana mamincha bune bwene tokorwa no nyamaega yo Okong'o mugeni ko ire yo guchikoba konya bamenye be county ya Nyamira konengana no Okong'o monga boigoganeti osorigetie keroge kyo obo senator asobochorio bone buri bosio ni gate birabuna na chikone kinango ikiranira mange aisogochoro buno mo senator bwe county ya Nyamira ekrate biro mo senator Rabisi orokane gotabwatira na boikirano asokonyara ko bakonya bamenye be county yo ya Nyamira.
I took sabbatical leave, but my ears were heavily grounded in the county government of Nyamira. There is a senator who is sitting senator who I overwhelmingly beat in 2013. He is fortunate that he never faced me in 2017. By design or by default, he became a senator. This senator has been masquerading around talking of how he is a senior counsel, which does not portend to our people. A senior counsel is a status of the legal fraternity. It's not for the public of Nyamira. This senator has never addressed the county government of the county assembly of Nyamira as it is required by law. Nyamira County Assembly is